Don't go there. It's easy to fall, Abby. How many did you get? Show me your bucket. Atticus. Okay, go. Go get some more. You know what's easy to pick? Those ivy. See those ivy? Those green things? Pick those. Go deeper, okay? Good. Use your legs. Don't use your... Yes, good job. Use your legs. Get lower. Get lower. You're using too much back. Use your legs. Good. 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 That's good. Take a little load. It's easier. Okay? Hold it wider. That means hold it lower at the shovel. Nope. Hold it on the iron part. Iron? Your left hand? Yeah, lower. And then bend down. Yeah. Hold the back hand a little wider. You have to spread your hands out because you're shorter than me. Look. So here. Put your left hand here. And then put your right hand on the top like this. Squat down more with your legs. Yeah. Is that easier? Yeah. Good. Okay, good. Go. Good job. Nice. There you go. Good. There you go. Okay, it's not an art project. Just get the ugly stuff out, okay? I don't need you like primming and, yeah. Here, show me again. Yeah, good. Come on, Abby. Good. Okay, good. Now what are we gonna do? Go to the next pile. Just, yeah, rotate the... Yes. Legs, more legs. Now hold it. Now lift the legs. Don't try to get too much at one scoop. It's too heavy for you, okay? Yes. Not so much at one time, okay? Good. Okay, here, watch. Let me show you. Great job. Bend more at the legs, okay? You're going to get a sore back. Good job, Atticus. Skim it more. You're going too deep. Yes. Good job. Okay, that's enough. I'll patch the rest. Yeah, you go to the next, okay? Nope, you gotta skim. You're going too deep. Yeah, here you go. That's good. Good job. Good. That's enough. That's enough. Next one, right there. Yeah. Skim it. Hey, Abby, pick the ivy there. Good. Okay, great job. That's it. You're good. No, the rest I'm just you're gonna try and flatten out? Good. See all that ivy there, Abby? Yeah. Good. Now, Abby? Abby? You can't lift it? Go ahead, Abby, show them. Watch the white bugs on the side. Don't touch those. On the dirt. Yeah, plop it in the hole. Hold it lower on the base. Good. Nope, you're hurting the tree. Yeah. Good, good job. Okay, watch now. No. The ones we transplant right there. Water. What are you doing? That's not the one we transplanted. Come on. No. Right there. First one. Nope. First one. Yeah. No, we didn't do that one. That one. You didn't do that one enough. Go. Not at the base, around too, so the roots. Nope, around. Nope. Give me it. Give me it. Stop. Like this. You see, not directly on it, around. Okay? All right? Good. That's good for now. All right. Good enough. Good. Stop. Good. Okay, put the hose down. Put the hose. Yeah. All of them. Start from the beginning, because that's the first one. Around. Not the thing. No special watering. Thank you.
What?
I asked her to, Atticus. Why did I ask her to? So Nana is willing to buy you your McLaren or your Bugatti, okay? Or your Bugatti. No Corvette. I'm done with Chevrolet.
No corn.
Water.
Are not that expensive.
Oh shit. Delete the, did you record that part? Yeah, delete that part. Just delete the video.
Not too much. More on the outside, yeah. No. More on the outside. Maybe not in this circle. Maybe like right here and there. Not the bases though, okay? Not the base. Too much base. Yeah, like right here.
Had Abby transplant a lemon tree by herself when she was 5. So, this is good.
The outside, like right here.
Remember that, Abby?
Yeah.
And Mommy got mad at me because I made you lift the
Too much
the
base.
soil back.
Right here. Yeah, you see that? Hey. See the lip?
Why am I not just
Yeah,
digging
good.
hard, Abby?
There's roots
We have irrigation lines.
here.
Yeah.
I don't know that.
And there are roots. You're right. Okay.
Too much space.
Yeah, good. Stop. Hey, come around here. Back up, Abby. In the hole. Flood the hole. No, this hole. Good. Watch out. You're going to scratch yourself on that very thorny baby rose. Hit that hard. Good. Tonight I'm going to hit that. Hit that. Hit that. Okay. Good. Put the hose away now. Drain the hose.
Done.
All right, done.
Done.
Atticus?
Atticus done.
Okay, good. Yeah, good. Okay. Go. No, don't do that.
I gotta stick his name is Rick. I gotta stick his name is Rick. I gotta stick his name is Rick. I gotta stick his name is Oh my god! I gotta stick his name is Rick. I gotta Rick his name is Stick. I gotta stick his name is
Get the dirt in or no?
Pit?
Okay, let me get the other side.
What?
Okay? I'll do this side. I'll do the far side.
Bleh. Top. Dog. Chin.
Okay, hold on.
We're almost done.
Come here, look at Mommy. Hey, Abby, I'm gonna need that. Here, camera. Throw me the camera. Here. Come on, here.
Catch.
Oh, you turned it all.
Here.
That cat.
Good. Don't look at me. Look. Think about the shape of the shovel. Yes, get that gap. You're almost done. Good. Yeah. Break up that clod. Here, this is how what you do is you turn it like that. Now stab that. Yeah. Good. Good. All right. You are done, Zo. Bye-bye, guys. Wash hands. I'll dump that stuff out. You guys going for dinner.